What's going on, guys? It's your man Jay Will. So I finally got some more skins in. As you can see, there's a lot of Sophie skins up here. I went back in and purchased one for nearly every one of my devices. So I got pretty much the same skin that I have right here. I just got the matte version. So this is the matte version. It probably still looks glossy, but it's actually matte. All of them are matte now. They actually sent me another one for this one too, because I didn't know it was gloss. It didn't say it on the website. So they were kind enough to send it over. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the Note 9. I think this is gonna be a little bit better than that white skin that I got. Just wasn't right. So we're gonna get this off here. I'll try to do this real time for you. Gotta poke the holes through. Yeah. I'm not gonna put that on like I did last time, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this backing on. Get this on here. It should be fairly simple. The other one went on pretty smooth without me even having to blow dry it on camera, so hoping that this one does too. Yep, looks like it's a win. Yeah, their skins really go on easy for some reason. I'm digging this so much better than that other one I got from that. SopiGuard's, I mean, they're not sponsoring any of these videos, but I'm just straight up telling you their products are way better and they ship really fast. And they're 3M too, and they have a bigger variety than some of the other ones. So that is boss right there. As you can tell, I really like this. I had 10% off. It was about 50 bucks, but I had 10% off. So basically I just got like $5 off, but I'll blow dry this later to seal it up. Well, let's put the camera on. See if I can get that camera, the frame on the camera right. I have to find something to get these out. But yeah, I was that impressed with their service. I went back in and ordered one for pretty much all of my flagships. So, if I can't get this out, then I'm just gonna go ahead and just get something to poke this through. Grabbing the first thing I see here. Yep, got a part of it out. All right, let's get these camera holes poked out. And I'm gonna put this on. Yep, there we go. All right, I'm coming back in the frame, folks, I promise. Here we go. Now I'm gonna put this on. Oh, looks like I gotta take another little thin layer off around the edges. And then I'm golden. Yep, there we go. All right, now we're golden. Let's see if we can get this, and I'm gonna heat this up too. Boom. Boom, there we go. We are golden now. There it is. So I can tell the difference in person. You probably can't, well, you might be able to, yeah, there you go. Now you can tell that this is glossy and this is matte right here. So I got a matte one for this one. I'm gonna switch it out too. But as you can see, got a whole bunch of them for the iPhone, the Essential, the OnePlus 6T. They're all lined up back there. So this is my new favorite skin. It's very subtle. It really works well with this phone because of the cloud silver. Yeah, it works good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start rocking with SopiGuard, man. They ship really fast and their product is really good. And this is pretty much sealing up without me even blow drying it, but I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. So, all right, man, there it is, man. I got my SopiGuards in. I'm not gonna put the rest of them on. I just wanted to show you this one for the Note for now. I also got another honeycomb back there for my iPhone 10 as well, because I've been using the iPhone 10 a lot, which is what I'm recording this with. But anyway, it's your man Jay. SopiGuards has been taking care of me, man. I got all of these were like $40-something, $44, $45 or something like that. So gonna keep them on there. It's your man Jay. There it is. Take care, guys.